Hello loves and welcome to Arius Lifestyle TV. Today I'll be showing you how you can make your own DIY lemon scrub using the lemon juice. This is one of the lemons that I'm going to be using. I'm not using the two of them, just one because I don't want to use much. The next one I'll be using is baking soda. To achieve this lemon scrub, I have to use baking soda too. Also, I'll be using honey. Honey is actually good for this lemon scrub I want to make. So first of all, I'll be cutting the lemon so I can squeeze out the juice for the scrub I want to use. Lemons are actually very underrated because I feel like that is what you can actually use on your skin. I mean, a natural product and still get a very good result without having side effects it can cause on your face. I am not discouraging the use of any other beauty products or cosmetic products out there. It's just that you have to be sure of what works for you, what works for your skin, basically. So I am going to be taking this lemon and squeezing it into another bowl. Yeah, as you can see that the seeds are out already, but we're going to take care of that. We don't want to be having the seeds disturbing a smooth and gentle lemon scrub we're going to be producing. I reduced the amount of lemon juice I'm going to be using to just a spoon, and then I'll be adding honey, which is also a spoon. That's all what I need for this particular scrub because I don't want to be having much and unused scrub. The next one I'll be adding is baking soda. I actually talked about baking soda in my previous videos. You can check it out. I'll leave the link down in the description section. I added just a little bit of baking soda to my mixture. Then I'll go ahead and mix properly. This particular lemon scrub is good for people who have an oily skin. I do have an oily skin, and that's why I'm using this mixture. So guys, if you want me to share with you the lemon scrub you can use for your dry or normal skin, do put it down in the comment section. Yes, so lemon scrub is now ready to use, and I'm going to be applying this on my face. Just going to gently massage in my face, so I can look all radiant and glowing like I'm already feeling right now. I can't wait for you guys to see how I'll look after this whole process. And yes, I'm applying this to my neck also because I don't want to be having an uneven skin tone. Like one part of my face is like bright or light or fair and my neck is all black like charcoal. No, we don't want that. So we're leaving this face scrub for like 3 to 4 minutes after you have gently massaged into your skin. I'm just like enjoying this moment and listening to some music. So now we're ready to wash off with just cold or warm water, and yay, look at that, I'm looking all snatched. Having a dry or patchy skin can give you a hard time. So like you need to get that flawless skin back. Who doesn't want a supple and soft and glowing skin? So guys, you need to join me on this journey and actually make your own face scrub to look all nice and sweet. One thing I won't forget to do, and you shouldn't also, is spraying those essential oils on your face. You can use a coconut oil or olive oil. It's just a mixture of them and just sealing that cleansing that you did on your face just to make your face really glow and look so radiant. And yes, thank you guys for joining me today on skincare routine. I'd love you to join me in my next video. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I'd love to know what you think about this video. So put your comments in the comment section below, and yeah, hit the subscribe button also. Don't forget that. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.